Hey you guys, welcome back to another amazing video. This is Alicia's Kitchen, and in today's video I'll be making these amazing homemade dinner rolls. Come on guys, what you waiting on? Let's bake. So guys, in a mixing bowl with a hook attachment, I add 4.5 cups of flour and a half tablespoon of salt. Then I'll also be adding 1/4 cup of oil and 1 whole egg. Now guys, for my yeast mixture, this is half tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 cup of warm water. And you're just gonna pour that in your flour mixture, and I'll also be adding half cup of milk. Now I'm just gonna let that mix until it forms a ball. Now guys, to activate your yeast, I use some warm water, and you're just gonna pour your yeast in that, making sure the water isn't hot because you don't want to kill your yeast. And if your yeast dies at this point, you just have to throw the entire thing away. No matter what you do, you just won't rise. You just won't rise, so you just have to start all over again. Now guys, the consistency for our dough, I'm looking at something a bit slightly sticky and soft, and pulling away from the edge of the bowl. Now guys, I'll be forming this dough in a bowl. I'll also grease the bowl and cover it with a plastic wrap, and we're just going to let that proof for about 30 to 35 minutes. So guys, now that my dough has proofed and doubled in size, I'll be removing it from the bowl. I'll also be cutting it in 3 different sections, just so it's easier for me to manage. So now guys, I'm cutting off a piece of the dough, and that's weighing in about 3 to 4 ounces, and you're just going to gently roll it in the palm of your hands. Now guys, that our roll has formed, we're gonna cover that with a towel or a plastic wrap, and we're just gonna let that proof for an additional 30 to 35 minutes. Then we're gonna bake it at a temperature at 375 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's golden brown. So guys, now that our rolls are out of the oven, you're gonna brush that with some butter, and you can eat this immediately or you can wait until it's cool. That's entirely up to you guys, but I love you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.